Oh, thank you. I caught it! Bullseye!
Here's your prize.
Wow! Congratulations! You're exactly who I'm looking for!
Hi there. Can I help you?
I'll buy everything! Wrap it up!
Pleasure doing business with you.
Thanks! Jade's gonna love it! Meow! I got a surprise for you!
Dig in.
Finger licking!
What's this? Wow, it's beautiful.
Aw. Knew she'd love it! Looks like someone's in danger! Oh no! It's the hunter!
Help!
I'm gonna catch you now.
You'll never catch me!
Freeze. Gotcha.
Somebody help!
No one's gonna help you.
Guys, please hit the like button to save us!
Guys, help!
Your place is in a cage.
Take that!
Okay, now you're really in trouble.
Guys, hurry! Every light counts.
I'm ticklish. That's not fair. Ow! I'll be back.
Freedom!
I was so scared for you.
That was really terrifying!
Rest now.
Ooh, a phone! Just what I need to film a TikTok!
Early in the morning, I'll cleanse up my muzzle and my glossy fur. I'll do makeup and dollar finger walking. Who can't say I'm not the district queen? After all, I will be watching the birds and hiding the pigeons, grabbing the mice and chewing the cat food. Looking around, I will be best of the best, so you will all be impressed.
Meow! I slept well. I'll leave a note for my owner. Time to conquer the wild! Let's have some fun! Hey guys! Hello everyone! This place is so cool! Let's level up this party!
Yeah! Time for lunch. Here, kitty kitty. Oh no! Police! My cat is missing! Please, find my cat!
Stay calm. Stay calm.
Where could she have gone? Everything was so good! We need to find her right away!
Who turned off the lights? Officer Bob reporting in.
Yay! You're here! Help me!
What happened?
My cat ran away. I have no idea where she could be.
Let's keep the party going!
Great party! Describe your cat.
There she is!
Got it.
Find her!
This is a job for a professional. I'll find your cat, no matter what. I found a clue.
I think I found her!
Case closed.
I'll take it from here. Thanks.
Oh.
Where is she? Frida, I'm on my way.
Freeze. Want to bounce?
I need to take my cat.
Let's play first.
All right, fine.
That's Jade! She's so cool!
I'm here. I'm here. Finally found you.
Your bill.
Again.
But it was fun! I'll go for a walk.
And where do you think you're going?
Meow.
Remember that thing with the firefighter? I almost lost it then.
I remember the firefighter. That was fun.
I worry about you.
I want to have fun.
Let's do a fashion show.
Meow.
This one?
Ew.
This one?
Ew.
Or this one?
Gross.
This one then? Ooh, yeah! Total slay. Thank you. I always dreamed of one like this.
Wow. How cool.
I'll bring the remote control.
Let's play. Oh no. Hello, Boo-Boo. I'll save you.
Help! What's going on here? It's just a toy.
Hey, we were playing actually.
Remember, never play on real train tracks.
What's that noise?
Oh no, I think it broke. I have no money at all.
I'll buy Jade a new phone. Piggy Bank, your time has come. We need more money. This is my old little cafe. It needs a deep cleaning. I'm so excited. We're open.
1 milk, please. Thank you.
One fish.
Here's your order. Take
my order, please.
Wow, that's a line.
Fresh pastries.
Spioniro golubiro.
Hey! What else do you have?
Ballerina Cappuccina's favorite drink.
Yum. Thank you.
Wow, I'm rich! That's definitely enough for a phone. Meow, thank you. She's gonna love it.
Wow, is this for me?
Meow.
Thank you.
Who's texting her? Whoa, is she in love?
He doesn't even notice me anyway.
I don't want Jade to feel sad. I'll set him up. Hey there, wanna go for a walk?
Hi, meet me at the cafe at 5.
I can't believe this! I got asked on a date!
I have to see this. Can't see anything from here. What are they talking about? Jade loves flowers.
Oh.
Is this for me?
Yes.
Thank you.
I need your help. We need to add some romance. Here you go.
Everything will be perfect.
Nicely done. Someone needs help. I'm on my way. I want to play.
I don't feel like it.
Come on, play.
Luna, leave the fish alone!
We wanted to play. That's it.
Phew, I made it. Look what you've done.
Oh.
My cat smashed Nemo's fish tank.
My stuff has been through hell and back.
Chin up, we can build new homes for them in a minute. Really? We're pros after all.
Here's the bill for the houses.
This is all I've got. Luckily, there are discounts. I've been wanting to make a cool fish tank for a while.
Not a fan of flowers.
Nice toss. I really like this cat.
Oh, I'm late for school. I really count on you. It's gonna be okay. Nate, you take care of the cat house while I'm making the fish tank.
I've got an option you'll love. Ta-da! Your new house. Stylish, eco-friendly, minimalistic.
It's just a box. I want a real house.
It's strange. Cats must love boxes.
Why don't we offer Luna something more comfy? Here it is.
It's perfect. I want to get it.
Take your time. Look around. I won't bother you.
He's busy. Great.
Hey everyone, today I'm gonna make a huge fish tank.
Hey, everybody.
Wow, that's a lot of likes. Thanks. So this is our building plan.
Wow.
Let's get started. Did you guess what it's gonna be? I'm gonna show you. Here's the coral, then the seaweed, And here's the chill zone. Now let's add some sand.
This'll distract her.
What's that noise?
Voila!
I want a real fish.
Real? How are you gonna play with them?
Nate, you'd better watch Luna. You should go with these.
Looks so real.
Make sure you make Luna a soft bed.
Feel free to sleep on my hoodie.
Oh.
Smells like trash.
Okay, fine.
I want a decent bed.
Okay, fine.
There's nothing I could make with this trash.
On it. Here is the bed.
Whoa, I'm obsessed.
Sweet dreams.
Hey, Nate, my feeder is empty.
Fine.
More, more. I want more.
Huh? Okay.
That's too much.
Oh, wow.
Wow, we need something of the kind in our fish tank.
Yeah, I like it.
Awesome! We'll order you water. Here, order.
Uh-huh.
You're so fast. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Put ice on it. Nemo, look what a lovely little cafe.
Cool. Put it together.
Yeah.
Wow.
So pretty. Nate, help! Nate, help!
Easy peasy. Ugh, so heavy.
Are you okay?
Yeah, easy as a pie.
If it's too heavy, let's try it this way.
Brilliant.
Ready to move?
Yes! Woohoo!
I really like it. Bon appetit!
Nom nom. Yummy.
Oops, hope it's not important.
I can't breathe.
Broken?
Don't worry, I'll save you.
Help! Hurry up!
What's this? Get off!
My bad. Where are you going?
I want to walk Nemo.
No way! You look hungry. Luna's hungry. Did you feed her at all?
Yeah, sure.
Not even a whispered hint of an offer.
No, I'm on it right now.
Now!
Taste it. It's a bestseller.
Smells nice. Is this something more expensive? No, wait.
Sure, I know how to surprise you. What about this?
Nothing is tasty!
Okay, any chance you like it? It's the most expensive food.
Delicious!
Of course.
How do I decorate the fish tank?
Oh.
What do you think of bubbles?
Bubbles! Great!
Wow.
You're gonna love it!
Wow!
I need a leash for my beauty. Which one do you prefer?
Uh-huh.
These ones?
Hearts?
One moment. Can't you count the change? Of course I can. Give me a moment. 100 minus 65 is... a kitty? Not right. Could you help me with the change? How much is 100 minus 65?
Oh.
Okay, Stacy, let's play!
What?
Hi.
A mouse! These are just toys. I'll hide them.
I brought some toys!
Stay out of it. We're putting a fish tank together. You can play with this.
A red dot! Come here, I'll catch you! Close! Aww.
Take a break. Whose scratches are those? We should give them a trim.
No, nail trimming is the worst!
Trim Luna's claws.
Sure, I'm a cat nail tech, you know.
No more fooling around. Use regular tools and be extra careful.
Clippers scare the life out of me!
You're playing me.
Clippers!
Now I trust you.
Nate, wake up!
Yeah, you need a claw sharpener.
I don't like it!
I need a moment to finesse it. Ta-da!
It's perfect! Fish! I adore playing with them!
Being perfect is tough, you know. Might as well take a breather.
Too big, too small.
None of them are good.
There's a chance Nate has something. Do you happen to have a tiny little house?
I don't. Where would I get a house like that?
Bummer. I could really use it. Hold on. This is perfect. Where did you get it?
Can't tell. It's not mine.
In that case, I'll keep it. You like it?
Picture perfect.
Ew. What is it?
It's my party dance. I am cool.
Nate, what is this smell? You forgot to set up a litter box?
Can't tell. It's not me, though.
I failed to find a bathroom!
Sorry, give me a sec.
About time!
Anything wrong?
Go away! I need some privacy!
Okay, let's go.
What a cutie! You better give her to me! Karomi! What's going on here? She's hurting the kitty! I'm gonna get the title of Hunter of the Year! Take that! You've messed with the wrong one! Run, quick! It wouldn't be hard to find them. That's a real challenge. You'll be living with us.
We'll see. Nice spot!
Those are my sneakers. We'll build you a house like this. Maybe like this?
It's hard to choose.
What do you think?
That's perfect.
Let's get started. This may come in handy. So heavy. Where's that cat? She's right here. You little... Gotcha! Where am I? Never come back! I'll make you regret this.
I was so scared.
I'm right here with you. Let's keep going. Time to outline the shapes.
I'll help too.
I'll use scissors. Ta-da! Pop, pop, pop. Don't be scared. It's just thunder. Ooh, I've got an idea. I see what you want to do. Come on, sis.
Did you catch a cloud?
It's for decoration. It's gonna be cool. Just a little short. No more clouds left. Now what?
Is it gonna take long? I'm bored.
I've got an idea. They're too scratchy.
Wow, I'm having a good time.
The fun's just getting started. What's going on? Wait and see. You can play now.
This is awesome.
Let's get back to work. Cotton candy? Yummy. I meant for decoration. I didn't shut the window. Miss me. You're dead.
What do we do now?
Hide. You can't stop me. Friends, help us stop the hunter. Hit the like button.
Guys, give us more likes.
Your time is up. What's happening? Thank you, guys. You're the best. I'll be back. That should hold her. Too bad she ruined the toy. Play with this instead. I'll fix the ear. Much better now.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
Are you okay? Those are my things. Don't get mad at her. Okay, we can use it. Looks way better now. This one's from us. Don't be angry. All right. I forgive you. But we gotta do something with your claws. I got something. What's she doing?
I hope she'd lost her mind.
Oops. Is that a scratching post? Yes, it is. Let's add some color. So cool. Let's make it greener. Oh, false alarm. Yay, it worked.
No more scratching your stuff.
It needs a bow. Have some. What if we tried this? It's too small. Nothing's working. I'll give you a hand. Enlargement serum!